Hello friends, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can fix SIM card problem on an Itel A200 device. Just follow the instructions from this video carefully to resolve the SIM issue on your phone. So if you find this guide helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now without any delay, let's get started.